Hi and welcome to the Inspiration and References section as part of the Studio Practice area in the Notion for Artists template. Here we wanted to create our own version of a digital Pinterest board. We wanted to create a place where you can easily collect and sort different images and references that generally inspire your practice. Simply click the button, click on the board page, and start copying over and putting in any images, documents, or comments. Once you add an image, for example, I'm going to take an unsplashed image here, you can add different comments and subtitles. Give comments on the side or add captions below to keep track of names, inspiration, and dates, and build different organized mood boards and references for you and your studio practice.